Welcome to the course 15 Common Idioms Used in Daily Life. Together, we will improve your English speaking by learning how to use idioms. My name is Hidayah, and I'll be helping you throughout the course. I have a BA in English Language and Literature, a TESOL certificate, and 5 years of experience. I like to make my classes fun and interactive. In this course, you will be learning what idioms are, how to learn idioms, and 15 common idioms, their meaning, and how to use them. This course targets students who want to improve their vocabulary and speak more like a native. If that's what you want, this course is for you. Join me and enrich your English speech. Let's go.